Okay students, in previous class we discussed dissimilarities between lithium and other alkali metals. In this class we are going to discuss diagonal relationship of lithium with magnesium. See here, you have to know one thing students. Lithium shows dissimilarities with a self group and lithium shows similarities with the other group element, only magnesium. Okay, now we are going to discuss see diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. Diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. So it is diagonal relationship. Why diagonal relationship showing lithium with magnesium means due to its similar size. Due to its similar size. See, lithium shows diagonal relation with magnesium due to similar size. Due to their similar size. Due to their similar size. See here, atomic radii of lithium equal to of magnesium equal to, it is 152 picometers, it is 160 picometers. 152 and 160 picometers. So here ionic radii of lithium is 72 picometers, 76 picometers, and magnesium it is Li plus Mg plus 2 is 72 picometers. Okay, so 76 picometers it is, 72 picometers it is, due to their similar atomic radii nearly and due to their similar ionic radii nearly. So lithium shows similarities with magnesium. What are the similarities we are going to discuss? Okay, see here, we have to discuss similarities between lithium and magnesium. So first one, lithium comma magnesium both are hard metals, comparing to other elements present in their respective group. Okay, both are hard metals. Okay, lithium and magnesium reacts with air produce oxides, monoxides, produce oxides. Okay, so here lithium reacts with O2, gives rise to Li2O. Magnesium reacts with O2, gives rise to MgO. Okay, so like this, it is a lithium and it is a magnesium. So balance this. If you take 2, if you take 4, then it is a balance. If you take 2, then it is a balance. Okay, next lithium comma magnesium both reacts with nitrogen N2, okay, produce nitrites, See students, lithium reacts with N2 gives rise to Li3N, okay. Next, magnesium reacts with N2 gives rise to Mg3N2, understand. So if you take 2, if you take 6, it is a balanced, okay students. Then here if you take 2, 2 3s are 6, if you take 6, then 2 2s are 4, if you take 2, then it is a balance. 2 3s are 6, 6 Mg, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, it is a balance. It is a lithium nitride, it is a magnesium nitride, it is a lithium nitride, it is a magnesium nitride, okay. So like this similarities, okay. Next similarity is both lithium and magnesium are do not exist as their hydrogen carbonate in solid state. Lithium comma magnesium both do not form hydrogen carbonate, do not form hydrogen carbonate, both do not form hydrogen carbonate in solid state, okay, in solid state. See here one more point, LiCl, MgCl2 both are deliquescent. LiCl comma MgCl2, LiCl, MgCl2 both are deliquescent. DELIQUESCENT. Deliquescent means which absorbs moisture present in the air and themselves dissolves, okay. Both are deliquescent. So here LiCl both forms hydrates. Lithium and magnesium both forms hydrates like lithium comma magnesium both forms hydrates, HYDRATES, hydrates like LiCl2 2H2O comma MgCl2 8H2O, okay. Both can form hydrates. LiCl2 2H2O and MgCl2 8H2O, okay. So this is the way. So both carbonates of lithium and magnesium on heating which gives carbon dioxide. Both lithium comma magnesium both on heating gives CO2, okay students. See here LiCO3 on heating, then what happened? Li2O plus CO2 which is a gas. If you balance this equation, then if you take 2 Li2O, then 2 3s are 6, then if you take 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. If you take 2, if you take 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 Li, 4 carbons means then you have to take 4, then 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So here LiCO3 already that is balanced. So it is Li2CO3. Li2CO3. Then what happened? Li2O plus CO2. Okay, it is a balance. Then if you take magnesium carbonate MgCO3, then on heating, then what happened? MgO plus CO2. Okay, so this is the way both on heating, carbonates of lithium and magnesium on heating, which gives CO2. So these are similarities between lithium and magnesium. So due to diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium shows this type of similarities, understand. So this is briefly about first year group elements. So what we discussed in this chapter means electronic configuration, physical properties, chemical properties, uses, then diagonal relationship of lithium and magnesium, anomalous properties of lithium with other elements, next uses. All these belongs to first year group elements, understand. So this is the way we may discuss first year group. Next we go for second year group elements. Understand. Alkali metals is over, then we will go for alkaline earth metals. Okay, so this is briefly, it is also important diagonal relationship of magnesium, and it is how to write from. So here it is finished, then we have to write their similarities. Okay, then this is the diagonal relationship between lithium and magnesium. So lithium shows diagonal relationship with magnesium due to their similar size. So here atomic radii, Li is 152 picometers, magnesium is 160, nearly same. Here ionic radii means losing of one electron, it having 76 picometers, losing 2 electrons, it having 72 picometers. So nearly same. Due to their similar atomic size and ionic size, lithium shows similarities with magnesium. The process of showing lithium similarities with magnesium is called diagonal relationship. Due to diagonal relationship, what type of similarities can shows lithium with magnesium means both are hard metals, both reacts with air, both reacts with nitrogen, both do not exist hydrogen carbonate, do not exist there hydrogen carbonates. LiCl, MgCl2 both are deliquescent. Deliquescent means which absorbs moisture present in the air. Then both forms hydrates like MgCl2, MgCl2, H2O. So the salt which contains water is hydrated, which does not contain water is dehydrated. Okay, so here both on heating, lithium and magnesium, both carbonates on heating, carbonates of lithium and magnesium, we have to write here carbonates of carbonates of lithium, magnesium both on heating give CO2 gas which is like this. So Li2CO3 is the lithium carbonate, it is a magnesium carbonate, on heating lithium monoxide, and it is a CO2 carbon dioxide. Here on heating, this symbol indicates a heating, heat. Okay, it is also heat. Okay, then this is nothing but a similarities between lithium and magnesium. Okay, then we will go for second A group elements. Second A group elements, like first A, what are the elements present in the second A, what is their electronic configuration, what is their enthalpies, what is their hydration enthalpies, what is the melting points, boiling points, densities, and chemical reactivity of second A group elements. Next, anomalous properties of beryllium, diagonal relationship of beryllium with aluminum, and compounds we are going to discuss in second A group. Okay, so all these points are important for objective type. So we will discuss second A group elements.